What's up guys, today we're going to talk about earn $600 in 24 hours reading emails, how to make money online. You may be wondering, is this possible to get paid to read emails? The answer is yes, it is. In fact, there are plenty of apps and tools out there that can help you earn some extra cash by simply reading emails. Keep reading to learn more about these apps and online tools. Going through all your emails every day can be a bit of a headache, especially when you have to spend an hour sifting through the important ones and the spammy ones. If only there was some way you can make money out of it. Well, the good news is that there is such a way. In fact, not just one, there are several ways, mostly in form of apps and online tools that can help you to get paid to read emails. Yes, you read that right. You can actually earn by reading emails every day. Reading emails doesn't have to be an annoying and tedious task anymore. Just start reading them and see the money coming into your wallet. It won't be anything to quit your actual job over. However, anytime you've got a few extra minutes on your hand, you can quickly read a few emails to earn some extra cash. This way, you can turn an annoying task into easy money-making task. Now, what can be better than that? After all, we are always on the lookout for some extra income to make our lives easy. If you still don't believe us by now, just keep reading to find out exactly how you can make money reading your emails. Number 1, InboxDollars. If you've ever tried searching for ways to make money online, you must have come across InboxDollars, one of the most popular sites out there. It is an excellent way to read emails and make money. Whether you are on your desktop, computer or mobile, you can use InboxDollars anywhere, anytime. You get a $5 bonus for just signing up, and then more when you complete your profile. The platform sends various companies emails to your inbox. When you open and read them, you earn money from it. Moreover, when there aren't any new emails to read, you can do numerous other things as well. You can answer surveys, search through their search bar, or even do some shopping for a chance to earn more cash. You need at least $30 in your account to be able to cash out. The good news is that InboxDollars will give you a $5 bonus just for signing up. Once you've read through emails and earned that minimum amount, you can get your earnings in form of gift cards, cash through PayPal, or checking your email. You can read more about the site in this InboxDollars site. Number 2, Vindale Research. Are you not in the mood to read emails but still want the cash? No problem. Vindale Research will allow you for money for just opening and viewing your email. It might sound hard to believe, but this authentic site will legit help you make money receiving emails. There is no confusing point system. You straight up earn cash for reading your emails. There is a 50 limit for withdrawing your earnings. This might seem like a very large amount, but once you start with your emails, the money racks up pretty quickly. If you want to reach that limit even quicker, there is a ton of other stuff you can do for more cash. You can fill in daily surveys, answer polls, watch videos, and a lot more. There are a lot of bonuses. You instantly get a $1 reward for simply joining. Subscribe to their emails and you get another $2. Get a friend to start using Vindale Research and you can get a $5 bonus in your account. Just like that, you end up with $50 in your account, which you can get through PayPal account. Number 3, MyPoints. Sure, reading emails can earn you extra money. However, you know how you can earn even more extra cash through those same emails? You'll notice that sometimes the emails you get have some sort of action for you. It could be follow a link to another site or click on a button. By doing these tasks and essentially responding to their emails, you can get a chance to make more money. The question arises through, how do you do this? MyPoints. However, an authentic site, MyPoints, rewards you 5 points every time you open an email and use the link provided to visit its partners. $1 is equal to around 140 points. You get at least $5 to get a gift card and at least $25 to get direct cash through PayPal. To help you reach that amount faster, MyPoints offers various ways to earn points on your computer or phone. When you get tired of reading and responding in emails, you can watch some videos for a while, which you can earn up to 500 points in a day. Additionally, number 4, Swagbucks. It's pretty much simple to talk about money making online and not including Swagbucks. With more than 20 million users, it's safe to say it's one of the best platforms out there. It's completely free to join and you can get assured that you can get your money. Swagbucks offers a variety of tasks that you can help complete and Swagbucks coins. These include answering surveys, watching videos, playing games, cashbacks, shopping, searching on the internet, and many more. Most importantly, it rewards you for reading emails as well. All this helps you earn Swagbucks, where 100 Swagbucks is equal to $1. You can get a bonus reading a reward for simply signing up to. Therefore, you can imagine how long it takes to rack up a considerable amount of money. Eventually, you can get your earnings through gift cards and get the cash through PayPal. It's available for Android, iOS phones, both. So you can read emails and make money anywhere. Like what you hear, read more about this site in Swagbucks and go to the site. Number 5, InboxPays. InboxPays is another site to get paid to open emails and read them. It's free to join and you can actually get a 5 bonus for signing up to get you going. There is a ton of different activities to earn money. You can play games, take surveys, refer friends to the site for more rewards. The best part is the emails you get sent to your inbox every day. So no day goes by without you earning anything. The emails are mainly from advertisers who ask you to click on the link and complete some kind of offer. You can make about 25 cents per email, so it's not hard to quickly collect a significant amount. The minimum payout limit is $25, after which you can simply get the cash through the PayPal account. Number 6, FusionCash. Another excellent option for when you are wondering how to make money and specifically how to get paid to read emails. FusionCash it's the site similar to Swagbucks, but a bit more specific on what you can do. To get $5 bonus just for signing up, and then as you continue to read your emails, you'll earn even more money. The minimum payout amount is $25, which means you'll be able to read emails for a while before you get your hands on the cash. However, with all the extra ways to earn money, you'll be cashing out in no time. You can answer surveys, play games, participate in forum, refer friends, and more. Add your earnings account. Furthermore, cashing out is quite simple too. You can opt for a check in the mail, or go for a direct deposit through PayPal. The best part is that there is no processing fee, so you'll get your full cash amount. The site is pretty safe to use, as well as it keeps your credit card usage optimal and not compulsory. Daily rewards. Number 7. Run by the same company as InboxDollars, daily rewards is another great way to make money online. It works similarly as most of the sites mentioned, so you won't have any trouble getting the hang of it. To start, you'll need to sign up, which is more completely free, and then complete a short profile survey. This will help the site know you better, so that it can send you more relevant emails that will be of interest to you. You'll then start